Alright, just out of the range with my new kel-tec sub 2000, which is an awesome gun. Super fun to shoot. But this is my first pistol carbine. I don't own any pistols, I only own rifles. And one thing that I learned very quickly is that this magazine this happens to be the Glock 9mm version. But this pistol magazine is extremely hard to load. In fact, it's virtually impossible to load by hand. So if you want to have fun with your kel-tec, you got to get one of these babies. You probably know what it is, you've probably seen it, but for those who don't, that'll focus there. Yeah, there it is. It's the UpLula Universal Pistol Magazine Loader. Oh, there's some pistol ammo. Alright, so I'm going to give you a little demonstration of how this thing works. Okay, you basically put the magazine in like so. You can see this little symbol right there, which is basically a bullet symbol, telling you to put the bullets in the right direction. So step one, you can see from the top, is you squeeze this part here. And this little finger is going to go in and push the magazine forward down as you press up. You can hear it. So squeeze it in, put some pressure, the bullet just drops in that easy. Then you let go here, then come up, squeeze in, and do it again. Let go, up, squeeze, down. There you go. Piece of cake. And that's why I say this UpLula Universal Pistol Magazine Reloader is awesome. You gotta buy one. Till next time.